Righto, bit of an update. I got the fuel tank in. There's still a few bits. I've ordered new gasket and that retainer, and I've run my my sender unit gauge up through the bottom of this cross member where I've got a grommet around out here, and then yeah, I'm doing something a bit different. I'm running the left hand side rear lights through the cross member and out the other side in here. So me running it up through the, well, along here where it used to go. But yeah, that means I've just got a bit of a different setup, which you can see that I've made. I can terminate into this. I've made that aluminium bracket up. So that is rear harness in, and that is left hand lights going up, and the bottom, or one of the bottom holes, is going to be trailer plug that's going to run out of there or through the chassis and back out the other side. So yeah, basically got the run the fuel line in. I got the new Tough Dog shock absorbers on. I've done all my new brake lines, reused that T, some of it can reuse, and then all the way along, and I've put the brand new fuel pump in, same as the one that I had before, all the way along. I've pressure tested both lines. So the best way to do that is just with air. So all you got to do is find yourself just an air regulator, air, and then obviously just make yourself up a fitting that will adapt to whatever you're using. I'll just use an old brake line, front brake line, and then set it to about 30 psi and go around and on all your connections with some bottle of soapy water. So I've done rear circuit, front circuit, come up here, power steering pump or box. I redid this line. That's coming off because I got new bolts for that. Yeah, I reused this, and that little fella is in there. Runs a bit different because of this box. All my front brake line. I got my steering arm down there, and again brakes in there. So yeah, I've obviously pulled in my rear chassis loom through there, and yeah, on my way to I think the gearbox. We put in the gearbox and motor in next, ready to go. Motor's been sitting over there for a while. It was probably one of the first things that I did, and I've cleaned up all the swing away arm bosses, and yeah, ready to go. So yeah, here's the here she is here. Just had a few it's just been sitting under this cover for a while. Haven't done the carbies yet, but I've got the kit there ready to go. Brand new alternator, electronic ignition, and yeah, I've got the power steering pump is just there, but it's just there for decoration purposes at the moment. I've just got to get some new bolts and bolt it up, but yeah, that's him. Nearly ready to roll. At least fire up and see how we're cracking. But anyway, that's a short little update on where we're at. So yeah, they're not going to be the colour. I'm going to change the colour of the rims. Probably go to black. But yeah, we're getting close. We'll be out of the mechanical phase, and then we'll be moving it over to the electrical workshops. Part of the Land Rover experience. But anyway, that's a bit of an overview. But anyway, thanks for watching.